Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to change user ID password on your MacBook. So if you want to change user ID password on your MacBook, what you have to do, first of all, just unlock your MacBook, and when you unlock your MacBook, here you will see many options. Now what you have to do, go into your launchpad. Okay, now go into your launchpad, and when you go into your launchpad, here you will see system preferences. Just click on this system preferences, and here you will see users and groups. Okay, click on it. When you click on users and groups, here you will see change password. Okay, so now click on this change password, and here you have to enter your old password, and now here you have to enter your new password. Okay, now verify it. Now you can add hint and click on the change. Okay, so like this you can change your password, user ID password on MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.